Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel, The Basics for Toddlers. Today, I'll be showing you how to use ManyCam. Actually, there are a lot of uses of ManyCam. If you're an ESL teacher, this would be really useful, especially if you are teaching children. For adults, you can use it, especially if your background is a little bit disorganized. So you can put or download a background from Google, similar to mine. So you can see I'm in the middle of a sunflower field. So, yes. And other than that, the great thing about ManyCam is that you can make video tutorials easily. So for example, like this, so today I'll be teaching you how to use ManyCam. So let me just transfer this one. Okay, there you have it. All right. So let me just maximize this. Okay. So here is my main screen. Okay. Now this is the ManyCam. So the first layer here, okay, ito na po. So let me transfer this. Okay. Diba? I have that background na. Okay. All right. So if you want people to see the whole um your whole screen, so you could just transfer this. So for the second layer, this one. Ito na po yung second layer. So, meron po tayong tinatawag na transition or cut. So, the transition part, if you click that one, ito na yung makikita mo. This one. Okay. Now, let's go to image. Paano ko papalitan ang aking background? How do I change my background? So, you go to chroma key. Okay, there. You just click the word on. Oh, I'm sorry. Hindi pala ito nakikita dito. Let me just change my position. So, let's see, like that. Okay. Nakikita ba? Let's see. Ah, no. Okay. Too much. Okay, like that. Okay. So, paano ko papalitan ang aking background? So, let's go to this part, the chroma key at the end. Okay, so you just click that one. And you can see the word on here, so just click that and it would turn green. So go to the word background. So they have transparent background, or they also they also have some, how do you say, given or default backgrounds here, so you could, yeah, check that out. So like that. Yeah, but that is for yeah, this one, the main page. I'm sorry. Let me just okay. Oh, not that one. Okay. So I forgot to click my screen. Okay, not the whole screen. This one only. Okay. So yun na. Let's go to the background part. So if you do not like their free background, so you can go to custom background. Now here I have downloaded a lot of pictures. Okay, so oh, my QR code. Okay, so let me just find, where is it? I forgot. Oh, where's that background? Oh, okay, this one. The sunflower field. Okay. So there you have it. Now, if you, yeah, you can see, nandito pa rin yung original wall ko. Okay, so my original wall is still there. So I have to really make my hair neat para later on, if you're going to erase your background, hindi masama yung hair mo. Oh, like that. Okay, in erasing your background, so you can see this symbol next to the word on. So click that one and go to your original background and click some more. Hanapin mo yung kasing kulay kasi there's an indication of the color that you're going to remove. So be careful not to remove your own color, any part of your body dahil uh, pati ikaw mismo ay ma-erase. Okay, just a moment. Oh, see? I told ya. So I have to be very careful. So, but if you accidentally erase yourself, so you could just go to the undo button or the reset button here. So let's go back to this symbol. What do they call this? Walang name to? But if you do know the name, so kindly put it uh, in the comment section below. Okay, so all right. You really need to be in a well-lit place para yung shadow or yung background is accurate yung pag-erase mo. If not, so uh, it would not be really nice. So I really have to move para accurate. Yes, I'm not really in a well-lit place. So you see, may marami pang sumusunod sa akin na parang lamok. Yes. So just a moment. Let me just fix this one. Okay, ayan. Oh, 'di ba? Voila. Yes. Okay, so that's for the background. Okay. So if you want to change the background, just go to chroma key, turn on, and go to the background. If you do not like their free backgrounds, so you can go to custom background. You can download any background from Google or any other websites. And yes, just click it. And afterwards, just go to this symbol. I don't know, what's this, dropper or something? Yeah. Basta, nag-i-erase din siya ng background. If you accidentally erase yourself, go to the reset button. Okay. Next, how to add an audio or paano mo lalagyan ng boses yung sarili mo habang nagbi-video ka. So that's the time you go to the audio. So for the audio, you can see here, add microphone. So you just add whatever microphone you have there. So for this part today, I'm using the Logitech USB headset. It's very nice. Okay. And for the image, okay, let's go back to the image. So we have resolution. So you can choose whatever resolution you want. The higher the resolution is, the better. So we also have the zoom if you want your face to look really big, and zoom in, and we have zoom out. Okay. Next is the picture in picture mode. Okay. If we click this one, the first mode, ito yung mangyayari. The next one is this. So I have to click this. Yes. Okay, that one. Dami ko. I'm so the next one is this. You can have a duet with another person using this. Okay. Next is this mode. So actually, the good thing about ManyCam is that you can, um, how do we say? I forgot the word. Just a moment. Let me just recall it. Okay. The good thing about ManyCam is that you can mirror your phone, but you have to download a third party. So this half here, over here, pwede ka dito magbasa ng kung ano-ano. Like for example, if you're doing a vlog, so I'm also planning to read some documentary stories. So I'll be using this kind of mode. So wherein you can see my face on the other half and the other half is what I'm reading, what I'm going to read. So this is very useful. The other one is yung kanina, earlier. So, nasa baba ako and nasa taas itong screen ko. So, you can see the changes when I was changing my background earlier. The other one is this. So, you can add other people here, or you can also add videos or whatever you want here. So, it's divided into four. Okay. So the other one, we have the flip and rotate. If baliktad ka, so they can you can flip yourself. Okay. So next is the grayscale. So this is just like the color adjustment. Okay. Let's go to playlist. This one I haven't tried this one yet. So I'm not sure how to use it. But if you do know, please help me. The next one is text. So for this one, you can click these buttons here. First, we have the enable text. So how do we enable text? Okay. Like this. Okay. All right. So you can choose your font, the font style, and the size of your fonts. Okay, and then you click OK. So next we have the show ManyCam logo. So if you want their logos on it while doing your videos, you can. If you do not want, so there's also a choice to turn it off. Next we have the draw. So I think you can doodle. Yes, just like what I had mentioned earlier, ManyCam is very useful, especially if you're an ESL teacher to children. I mean, it could also be useful for adults. I'm an ESL teacher, and I mostly teach adults. So I just changed my background, and that's it. I haven't tried draw. So if you want, you can use it. So you can doodle on the screen and have fun with your students. Okay. Next, we have the time. So I think this is just like how do we say? Yeah, like that. So it just shows the time. And you have different styles here to choose from. So I will just turn that off. Now here we also have the word lower third. Well, I'm not sure what's this. Oh, I think I know. Yes. I'm sorry for the interruption. That's my son. Okay. All right. So for the lower third, there you go. See, it's very nice. Okay. All right. But I'm going to learn more about this. So far, yun lang po ang alam ko. I know about the image, the video, and the chroma key, wherein you have, if you want to change your background. So it's easy. So I really do hope that this video can help you with your journey in learning ManyCam. So if you know anything that um, I haven't mentioned in this video, so please type it in the comment section below. And yes, I do hope that it would be a great help for you in the future. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching the basics for toddlers. I'll see you again. Have a great day.